In this lesson, I'll introduce you to Amazon database offerings. Specifically, we'll take a look at RDS and DynamoDB. Amazon database services include Relational Database Services, RDS, which are online transaction processing, or otherwise known as OLTP. NoSQL, Amazon offers DynamoDB and SimpleDB. And in-memory databases, specifically Elasticache, they have two variants, Redis and Memcached. And a data warehousing solution, which is called Redshift. Amazon RDS is a fully managed database service that makes it easy to set up, operate, and scale a database in the cloud. Current offerings include MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, PostgreSQL, Oracle, MariaDB, and Amazon's proprietary Aurora, which is a MySQL-compatible database. Amazon RDS can easily scale up by changing configuration or out by adding read replicas. Amazon RDS can run in multi-availability zones to enable high availability. Amazon RDS offers automated backups and point-in-time recovery. Amazon Elasticache is an in-memory caching system that can help improve web application performance by responding to queries from an in-memory cache instead of relying entirely on a database. Current offerings include Redis and Memcached. Amazon Redshift is a fast and powerful petabyte data warehousing solution that is easy to set up and scale online analytics processing, otherwise known as OLAP. It's easy to query and easy to manage. Amazon DynamoDB is a fully managed NoSQL database in the cloud. It's replicated with 3 copies across at least 2 availability zones, schemaless database, with consistent low latency performance, and supports document and key value data models. Amazon DynamoDB consists of tables, items, and attributes, and supports local and global secondary indexes. Amazon DynamoDB supports both strong consistency and eventual consistency data models. In summary, Amazon Database Services offering both RDS and NoSQL databases and in-memory caches like Redis and Memcached provide you a selection of choices to meet your backend database requirements.